Hey my guys, how are you? In this video we are trying to fix or better gyro delay, so first of all please subscribe my channel if you think I deserve it. Sorry for irritating, I am greedy. Let's start the video. So if you want to make your gyro just better, then skip to the last part and see how to just better your gyroscope delay. And if you want to try to fix properly, then listen first. You have to understand your gyroscope. There are two things for gyro delay: first gyro hardware and second gyro software. If you dropped your mobile and your gyroscope hardware got damaged, or if your gyroscope hardware got damaged in any ways, then it's impossible to fix it now. And if your gyroscope hardware is well, then we can fix it and make it way better, because we can fix mobile software. And if your device is like my device, then be happy, we are going to fix it today. By the way, you can check my sprays. These are the after results of fixing gyro delay. And please don't judge me, I am noob with sprays, you can do better than me. So let's go and check how to fix gyro delay. You have to open JM Tool app. After opening JM Tool app, open settings. After that, make sure your phone is on a flat surface like table or floor or any other flat surface. After that, click on sensor calibration. This step will calibrate your gyroscope and it will make your gyro faster and stable. Overall, it will make your gyro better. After that, open wireless IMU. After opening it, select update rate to fastest and don't forget to turn on the run in background option. After that, keep this app in background while playing game. By the way, wireless IMU is my favorite gyro fixing app. All apps links is in the description, check it out. Sorry guys, I forget to tell you the main thing to fix gyro delay. It's so important, I forgot about that. The main thing to fix gyro delay is subscribe my channel. Sorry guys, but please subscribe my channel if you think I deserve it. And guys, please suggest me a topic for the next video. And if still your gyro is not fixed, then keep calibrating your gyro around 10 times. After that, restart your phone and enjoy. That's it for today's video guys, bye bye, peace out. Please subscribe.